Hey, what up, fam? It's your boy Vussy Max back with another one in the building. You know the vibes. So yeah, this is part 3 of 3. This is the final installment of all these videos I'm dropping. I'm dropping today. We're comparing NAS 100 with US 500 and US 30. All of these indices we're comparing are moved by the same influences in the stock market, which is Facebook, Amazon, Tesla, um, what else? Microsoft and Apple as such. So all of these things are moved by the same kind of stocks. So my argument is this: like the structure is very similar and the movement is very similar. So because there's some people who are trading all these things respectively without knowing the correlation between all of them. So me, I'm saying the correlation between all of these things is basically the same, dog. So I'm hoping to elaborate in these 3 videos and reach the conclusion, to reach the same conclusion with you guys who are watching what you want, and you feel me. So appreciate it if you like the video. Comment, click the bell notification icon after subscribing so you don't miss out on any future drops I'm gonna do in the building. How much battery do I have left? I have 2%. Hey, I gotta get my charge. This video is sponsored by the marketplace powered by Trader Central. So recently launched, the marketplace is a town square for traders to make a living out of the ecosystem. Currently, Havana is accessible, a digital playground where you play to earn tokens, which can be used for discounts on your funding plan or purchase packs to fast track your challenge. Go to the link in the description box below and access the marketplace. Alright, fam. Alright. So, the second video took a lot from me mentally, because I reached a crossroad where now it's not making sense anymore. You feel me? But yeah, all in all, I think we reached a conclusion as far as NAS 100 and US 500 go. You feel me? It's gonna be about which one is gonna like go for the break first. Understand? So common theme with my charts is you always see these levels, and I explain why. Like you need to also implement levels, because if you're only using thing, you're not using levels. Dog, you're never gonna make money trading indices if you're not utilizing levels. Every trader that I know that makes money on the markets, every trader I know who makes money on the markets uses levels. No mistake. But this one is a little bit tricky, you understand? This one is a little bit tricky, but I managed to find a level there. So we're gonna go to the H4 to verify. If I draw a level on the daily, I'll just go to my H4 to verify the highs and lows of that level. So okay, sharp. It was respected there. It was respected there. You understand? So yeah, no, the level is leveling strong. But you know what? Me personally, I ain't even gonna lie to y'all. Like I'll tell you something like nobody will tell you. Like US30 lately has not been making me money, like at all. I probably stopped trading US30. Like I'm sure I have a month now not trading US30. It's really not making me money. I know, like when you, as far as you trade US30 compared to NAS 100, US30 is more powerful on margin. So you'll make more money if you're wrong and you'll lose more money. No, you'll make more money if you're right and you'll lose more money when you're wrong. Consequently, you understand. But as far as the structure, and I want you also to just look at it, Look at this movement now. Look at this movement, fam. What the hell is this? Like, what the hell is this, dog? Look. How can you make money when something is moving like this? Like, how can you make money, dog? How can you make money? You know what I'm saying? It used to be moving nice in like there's nice waves. You see now, nice waves. You know what I'm saying? Nice waves, waving up and down and stuff like that. You feel me? But as of like June, ever since like June, around there, June, July, dog, it's just been moving. Like, look, on the H4, look how this thing is moving. And sometimes it's going to give you nice structure, but overall, ever since the market was moving doing all this crazy stuff is doing there. I kind of stayed away from this market. You understand? I don't like this. Even though I'm like, you know what I'm saying, there's ways to trade such things, like when you draw your triangles and flag patterns and such. You know what I'm saying? There are ways to trade these things. I just don't like the waiting that's involved in between these periods. You know, I just don't like the waiting that's involved, dog. Because for sure there is a way, but I'm just gonna, let's check out the daily first. Let's check out how it looks on the daily. But the structure here, dog. Okay, sharp. So to compare this one, I'm still gonna analyze this thing for the sake of my argument on these videos. You understand? I'm not analyzing it now to like trade it at this point. I'm just analyzing it to either verify myself or discard the statement I said. You see now, look at NAS. Look how it's moving. It's moving in waves. You can see a low, high, low, high, low, high. You know what I'm saying? Even though it's higher highs and higher lows and stuff like that. Higher. Even when it's moving in a range, you can clearly see the high and the low and the high and the higher, low, higher, high, higher, low. Came back to retest. Went to a new high. Consolidated a bit. New high. Higher, low, new high. You understand? And then now it's moving in the opposite. High, low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. You understand? But now, even the US500, you can still find a beautiful structure. You understand? You can see the highs and lows high. You know, it's basically like NAS 100, basically. But now when you come to US30, like, dog, look, high, low, high, low. Yeah. I think you understand the point I'm trying to make, dog. You feel me? It's not that exciting for me to trade US30 anymore. There are times when it pays, trust. You know, there are times when it pays. But at the moment, the structure, it has a lot of noise. That's the right way to. That's the word I've been looking for. It has a lot of noise now. So we broke out of a trend line. Do we have another thing? We have another. Okay, we'll probably find it on the H4. If there's a level. Oh, it's 2 o'clock, fam. It's 2 o'clock. I don't know the last time I was uploading like this. You feel me? I feel good about this. I don't wanna lie. It's been a while since I've been, you know what I'm saying, uploading this consistently. I just snapped. I don't know what's up. But if y'all want me to drop more content, like, you feel, sometimes I just don't want to saturate my channel. But if y'all want me to, like, you know what I'm saying, go Super Saiyan on this thing, on this YouTube thing, I'll do it. You know what I'm saying? I'll do it. And I saw some ninja saying on the comment section, Are what? On the other video I uploaded the other time, I saw some ninja saying, Vussy makes what? Vussy makes is, because I was telling you about how to think, if you can double it. The other video I made, when I was talking about how to, if you can find your account with 2K and double it every day, basically at the end of the month you would be having 40K, which is basically a 9 to 5 account. And people were like, so where's the trick? Where's the trick? You have to realize, like, listen, let me put this in a very clear, concise way. Listen, I can't teach you how to make money in the markets in one day. You know, the trick I'm talking about, how to have a 9 to 5 account like me. You're gonna have to fund with 2K and make 2K every day. So the 2K, to fund it, you're gonna have to apply very low risks. The lowest lot size, which is 0.01. That's the lot size you're gonna use. So for 0.01 to blow out your account, it's very hard, especially if your account is 2K. Understand? You're gonna open one, you're not gonna open a lot. The aim is to make 40K at the end of the month. But then now, when you're saying, but I'm not showing you how to do it, this whole channel shows you how to do it. This whole channel, all my content shows you how to do it. I don't know what else you want me to do. Do you want me to, like, just take all my 100 videos and compile it into 2 minutes and feed it to you so you can make money tomorrow? You see, it does not make sense, though. It doesn't make sense. If you follow this channel, you know the knowledge I drop here week in, week out. That's the strategy to make 2K every day. Me now, I'm just giving you a plan to add on your trading plan on how to actually go at it like a system. You understand? If you can say you want 2K every day and you make more or less about 2K, you're gonna make roughly 30 to 40K a month. But the catch here, you still have to like follow the knowledge that I'm dropping here, because these are strategies. You understand? So I don't know. Someone will come to your channel and just watch one video and expect to get everything, but it is what it is. You feel me? I don't really catch feelings over it. I just wanted to explain. You understand? You need to also hear my side. So they said no, it's because Vussy Max is getting money off of YouTube and what. But dog, do you think all these videos I'm making is just for playing or what? You think I'm just playing here when I'm making all these videos? Like, dog, I'm literally trying to give you all something I never had when I started this trading journey. I never had a thing. I never had someone to drop content like this to make me, you know what I'm saying, understand this other concept. I never had that, which is the only sole reason I started going to YouTube. You think when I was making my first 100 videos, I was getting paid? I wasn't getting paid off YouTube. You understand? I was just doing it because I know if I had someone like me when I started, it would have helped a lot, which is what drives me. Obviously, the money is a byproduct of it. I'm not gonna lie and say YouTube doesn't pay me. Of course they pay me. Come on, I'm Vussy Max. You feel me? So yeah. I'm not even interested in analyzing this thing anymore, Joe. But okay, sharp. We have isolated our price. We have a trend line that broke. You understand? These things are all the same. Check. NAS 100, ne? On the NAS 100, we have a level on top that we might go to retest. But NAS 100 and US 500 are moving in a very similar way, even though they have different kind of structures. You understand? But the structures are similar for the most part. So we have a trend line on US 500. We broke below the trend line. We gapped down. And then now it looks like we're going to go retest. Either retest to sell or retest to buy. On US30, look, we broke out of the same trend line. And there's a level also in the level below. So we can either come to retest and then go below to a level next. Or we can either go up, come back down to retest and then go up. In whichever case, we would have to buy if it's going like this, and we have to sell if it's going like this. You understand? So I don't think there's any other level in between. So if we're gonna sell here, it's probably gonna sell until this zone here. If it's gonna buy, it's probably gonna buy until somewhere. I like to look at zones for my targets in terms of TP and SL. So maybe this zone here will be where I'm taking profits. But if it sells, it's gonna sell for a while. But also if it buys, it's gonna buy for a while. So they're all the same, dog. They are all the same distance. Because we also have a breakout here of this trend line. Let's see if we have a descending trend line, just like we did on the other competition. You see. So do we put it here? Do we put it here? Yes. You see now. Now tell me the difference between all these charts. And I hope it's not too complicated, fam. I'm so worried of y'all getting the bigger picture. Look at this thing. We have an X down here, and then we have our trend lines there, and then even on US30. We have the same kind of thing going on here. On NAS 100, similar kind of thing going on, where we have a downtrend at the top there. So it's gonna be interesting to see. I'm gonna send all these setups to our public Discord as well as our we're gonna send to our public Discord as well as our public Telegram in the building. So yeah, man, it's your boy Vussy Max. Much love to y'all. If you watched all this far, appreciate it. Leave a comment if you enjoyed the video, like to let me know you enjoyed the video, and subscribe if you're not subscribed. You feel me? It's your boy Vussy Max. I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace out.